Most knife sharpeners ruin your blade, fact. I tested 30 in 2026. Only 5 survived. Number 3 turns a dull knife into a laser. All product links are in the description. Let's cut to it. Number 1. Work Sharp Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener. During a few months of testing on a range of outdoor and kitchen knives, editorial director Sean McCoy found the Work Sharp Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener, $70, to be a remarkably consistent tool, providing both convenience and professional results. Using a guided triple abrasive rod and a solid blade clamp, McCoy was able to move knives from utility dull to shaving sharp with minimal fuss. The system is adjustable between 15 and 30 degrees, controlled by a threaded tower that raises and lowers the sharpening rod. Unlike competing systems that rely on preset notches, the Precision Adjust allows you to dial in an exact angle. During his evaluation, McCoy found sharpening easy, reliable, and repeatable. The 3 hones work well to take a knife from very dull to very sharp. But for most knives, the finest 2 are sufficient. I find myself using the ceramic hone most of the time, as I try to not let my knives get very dull. The Tool-less V-block clamp secures a knife with a simple hand-tightened knob. A push-button release allows the entire assembly to rotate 180 degrees to sharpen the opposite side without unclamping. While this is a major time saver, McCoy wasn't a huge fan of the force required, so keep your digits accounted for and go slow. The system relies on high-impact plastics rather than aluminum or stainless steel, as found in professional tier systems like the Wicked Edge. The trade-off, however, is in dollars saved. For the hobbyist looking to move beyond simple field sharpeners and get something for home use, the Precision Adjust makes good sense. Number 2. Sharp Pebble 1000. A classic dual-grit soaking stone for a traditional, polished finish. It's an affordable, meditative solution for purists, though it demands significant practice and patience to master. Whetstones aren't sexy sharpening solutions, but they are darn reliable. Knife maker Nick Lafort cut his teeth on stones like the Sharp Pebble 1000/6000 whetstone, $40, and while he's got access to sharpeners with far more widgets and gizmos, it's a simple whetstone like this that he uses when he wants to zone out with his knives. Simple as simple can be, the 1000/6000 whetstone is a dual-grit aluminum oxide unit that sits on a bamboo and silicone base to keep it from working its way around your workbench. Aluminum-based stones like this are best soaked in water, and after a 10-minute dip, they're ready to go. Lafort says that most folks looking to spruce up their kitchen cutlery will find more utility on the white 6000 grit side, as it'll hone edges that aren't dull and return them to that factory pop. The blue 100 grit side, on the other hand, is where the EDC and outdoor crowd looking to bring their knives back to their original luster will most likely start. Sharpening on the Sharp Pebble isn't difficult, but it does take some practice. Working up a good slurry of material aids in the sharpening process, but you'll need to clear it once it begins to build up. Thankfully, the Sharp Pebble also comes with a 20-degree guide for sharpening, though this won't cover all angles some knife owners are looking for. Aluminum oxide stones like the Sharp Pebble are certainly cheaper than ceramic whetstones like the Suehiro Cerex 1010, and they also won't have as long a lifespan. But for someone who doesn't want to jump up to even a budget angle-guided unit like the Work Sharp Precision Adjust Elite, the $40 it takes to get into the Sharp Pebble 1000/6000 whetstone may be more palatable. You'll just need to practice. Number 3. Chef's Choice 1515 Electric Sharpener. The Chef's Choice 1515, $166, is the knife sharpener that any household could benefit from. This electric, kitchen countertop model is a world away from most hobbyist versions and aims for pure ease of use and getting your cutlery back in shape. Unlike the belt-driven Wicked Edge MK.2 or the Sharp Pebble whetstone, which require significant setup and some skill to operate, the 1515 uses motorized diamond abrasives and flexible spring guides to automate the sharpening process. The 1515 utilizes 3 distinct stages: coarse grinding, fine honing, and a final stropping disc. During testing following a household move, the 1515 processed over a dozen neglected blades ranging from paring knives to carving cutlery. The spring-loaded guides maintain a consistent 15-degree angle, reducing the chatter and unevenness often found in budget pull-through sharpeners. A notable feature is the Stage 3 flexible stropping disc. While most sharpeners in this guide struggle with serrated edges, the 15XV's third stage successfully polished serrated bread knives without rounding off the teeth. Rolling sharpeners like the Work Sharp version or HORL should also be considered for kitchen counter duty, but neither can sharpen your serrated knives. The 1515 does have clear limits, because it thins edges to only 15 degrees. We don't recommend it for heavy-duty hobbyist blades or reprofiling a knife for a different use. You also can't replace the abrasive discs once they wear out, meaning the sharpener has a finite lifespan. That said, we think this sharpener will clean up many knives in its lifetime before that happens. Number 4. Work Sharp Rolling Knife Sharpener. The Work Sharp Rolling Knife Sharpener, $120, surprised our resident knife designer, who went into testing thinking that rolling sharpeners were a gimmick. Not true. This sharpener provides a quick, approachable way to get your knives back in fighting shape and deserves a spot on your kitchen counter. The setup is simple: attach an abrasive disc to the rolling sharpener and affix your blade to the weighted block. Then, roll the sharpener along the blade, allowing the abrasive to do the work. Moving through the grits is simple, and tester Nick Lafort was surprised by just how quickly he was able to get a solid edge back on his blades. This sharpener differentiates itself from other rolling options on the market by offering both grit options and 4 angles: 15, 17, 20, and 25. This covers the spread of Santoku knives all the way to chunky tactical blades, and makes this sharpener much more than a one-trick pony. The weighted block sports these 4 angles on each side, and strong magnets keep your blade firmly in place while sharpening. The abrasive discs all held up well in our testing, except for the ceramic honing disc, which showed some wear. Thankfully, you can source replacements from Work Sharp. The $150 price is a bit steep, but the adaptability of this setup makes it worth it. Other rolling sharpeners like the tumbler knife sharpener don't offer nearly as many grit or angle options, so the extra spend is warranted. Number 5. Smith's Diamond Combination Sharpener. Smith's Diamond Combo Sharpener, $20, has had a place in our pockets for over 10 years for good reason. It's simple, and it works. Yes, there are field sharpeners with more bells and whistles. Work Sharp's guided field sharpener, for example, comes with 2 diamond plates, multiple ceramic rods, an angle guide, a strop, and a broadhead wrench. It also comes with a higher price tag and more weight. There are smaller, lighter field sharpeners, like the glut of pocket pull-through sharpeners on the market. But rarely do they put on as good an edge. For a field sharpener, a stowable and streamlined capability is the name of the game. Fittingly, the Smith's Diamond Combo handle can sheath the diamond plates. This protects the abrasives in your pack alike while providing a slim, packable, weather-resistant profile. We also found the handle ergonomic, putting distance between your hands and edges while making field sharpening easy. Likewise, the grits of the diamond plates are more than enough to put a working edge on just about any blade. The Diamond Combo is exactly what a field sharpener should be: cheap, easy to pack, hard to break, and effective on everything from hunting knives and broadheads to fishing hooks and multi-tools. We might reach for the Spyderco Triangle Sharp Maker a bit more often if we've got more downtime in camp, but for pure on-the-go versatility, this sharpener is where it's at. That's the list. Links below to buy any of them. Hit like if you learned something. Subscribe. Next week, knives butchers refuse to replace. Sharp side up.